Good evening, time, everybody. Hope you all are doing all right out there this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. We'd like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at donkeystomper.com. It's donkeystomper.com. Big shout out to YouTube, Patreon, channel members. All right, guys, we got a Texas Star 400 repair review. The meter was out. The relay was out. Several things was wrong with it. Now, guys, I know these can be fixed, but my question is what's it worth to fix one? I see a lot of guys out there fixing them, and to be honest with you, I've got like 8 hours in this one. I still had to rig the switch up. It's just not worth it to me. I mean, 2 days of this thing, and I'm not going to charge the guy for that. I mean, I could have built 3-4 pills maybe, donkey stompers, for what time I put in this. I've had the board out of it, relay, got it all fixed, rebuilt it, put it all back together, ordered the relay, ordered a meter, and I spent about $50 on parts for 60, and then worked on it for 8 hours. And then when I got to playing with it, finally I pushed in the switch and it quit working. So I took the switch apart, tried to fix the clicker, and it couldn't do no good. So now I've got it where it's pushed in all the time. You just flip the switch, the little toggle on and off. Hey, that's better than nada. That's better than trash. So I'm saying I've had the pills out, this whole board out, this relay out, the whole section. One got one of my boards. His board was screwed up. Made 2 boards, made 1. Hours and hours. It is just not worth it to me, guys. Now, if you got a Texas Star you want to fix, it's got a good relay and good switches, I don't care to work on it. But besides that, I'm not going to do it. If I get into another one that's all tore up, jacked up like this one, I'm just going to part it. So, but I did get you up and working, and a new meter and all that. Everything works besides the switch. There it is. Just flip it on. Pre-up and everything works. So, like I said, guys, I know there is some guys fixing these, but I mean, what are they charging? $500 a piece to work on them? $600 a piece to work on them when they're $150 boxes, $200 boxes, $250 tops, maybe $300. So I'm not going to do that. I'll just build a 4-pill donkey stomper. Next one that comes in this shape, we'll pull the pills out and we'll make a donkey stomper out of it. There's what you got, man. And check it out. It looks pretty good now. Just hot glue down that button in. Put it on the switch. All your meter lights, everything works. That's the best I could do for you, and I'll be glad to send it back to you. And it's been a headache in my night. All night last night, all night tonight. Well over 8 hours of labor for a 4-pill $22.90 box. Alrighty, guys, straight to SWR like we do. Worldwide. Turn him on high. Input SWR, very little, 1-2. Wide open on the indoor dummy load, worldwide, 422.90s, get on down, does have bias and everything. It's all right. I mean, everything working 100%. Worldwide, get on down. So, 545, some change. See the meter's working, 1-2. You push in a button, and it'll back off a little bit, 1-2. You turn the variable down. Hello. Variable's kind of touchy. Hello. It goes way down quick. All right, you can push in the sideband button and get a double low plus sideband. That's all. I think that's cool about Texas Star. So when you push your sideband, it goes down some more. Then what they're doing is they're cutting back the drive on sideband, trying to save it. Hello, back on high power. Worldwide. Preamp. Here's the preamp. All right, let's go on the outdoor colossal dummy load if I can get it unplugged. Like I said, man, you're just lucky that you're even getting a box back. Like I said, I'm not going to charge you what it's worth, but I can't keep doing that. It's cost me all kinds of time. Here we go, outdoor dummy load. Hello, worldwide, colossal. Get on down, that's on high. Green button in. Colossal. Green and yellow button in. Colossal. You go here and turn the back on high. Turn the variable down still. Hello. The variable works on high or low. The way we got it hooked up. Oh, preamp. So there it is, buddy. It's all up and working for you. get on down. What's that? I said, I am not going to tear it back apart and order a switch bank put in it. I'm just not going to do it. It's not worth it to me. I done got 8 hours in it or more, and a headache and heartache and all that stuff, and I ain't doing it again. I've had that whole board out, had it relay out, board back in, got mad, pulled the board back out, put my board in, a parts board, put them all together, made it work again, then the daggone switch went out on me. So then I took the switch apart for 2 or 3 hours, couldn't get it to work. So I'm done. You got your toggle switch right here. On and off it. Only thing I know about it is when you turn on the preamp, the red light lights up, which don't hurt nothing. Besides that, I mean, it works perfect. That don't hurt a thing. You can go straight through with the preamp on still. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So, like I said, hello. That's the only difference about it. Someone gets the lid back on this, and I'll get with you. We'll get your repair ticket. Ship it back to you. Like I said, I won't never make no money on it. It's in the hole big time. Alrighty, guys, please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. We'd like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, perks, and giveaways. Check out our merch store. Check out DonkeyStomper.com. We got a 2-pill base coming up next. There's a 1x4 base. I'm going to do 2 4-pill stocks real quick. Then we got a 24-pill to repair, a 2x8 to repair, a 16-pill to repair, another 1x4 box over there to repair. We got a bunch of repairs. There's a 1x2x8 stage repair. So that's what's going on, guys. Just letting you know where we're at. We'll just get them as fast as we can. That's all we can do. Alrighty, guys. Y'all take care. Your friend 10 0 Beavis, Donkey Stomper.